Kaizer Chiefs and Coach Nabi are set to part ways, right? And it's in a crucial game esizoyidlala kwi-CAF Conf Cup. So I will predict my starting lineup against the Cabo Scope yase-Angola. So make sure now you drop your predictions, comment down below, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Let's jump straight into it together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. As you know, this is Amakhosi Stand podcast. Sihlezi ishisa. So bafethu, as we all know ukuthi Coach Nabi and Kaizer Chiefs are set to part ways. They are still in baseyingxoxweni ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani future and how they will they are still discussing the contract of Coach Nabi. So let's wait and see what's kwenzakalani, but for now let's focus on our coaches who are available. Coach Carl Yusuf and also Cedric Kazi. And lezi indaba zenzeke ngesikhathi esi-crucial. Lezi indaba zenzeke ngesikhathi where we need i-team ukuthi ibe together, their mindset to be strong, no disturbing news, nothing. We wanted the players to be focused, clean, and everything to be clean, but Kaizer Chiefs decided to do whatever they did in such a way that it may affect our players and the environment kwi-club yethu. So let's just hope ukuthi this didn't disturb our assistant coaches and our players, because it will be bad for Kaizer Chiefs if they have to start afresh the whole staff ebesebenza no Coach Nabi. I hope staff they are willing to stay at Kaizer Chiefs and continue working for Kaizer Chiefs, and let's hope they will deliver. So this has to be or will be their starting lineup against a very strong, physically and speedy Cabo Scope team. And remember, because they are playing home, they are home turf, so they have the advantage. So this game is so crucial, guys. Every player that will be starting that game needs to deliver, because if we lose this game, they have the advantage. We come home, we don't score, we are out of the competition. So this game is crucial, because if we win this game and we come home, things will be easier for us. So every player that will be starting this game needs to deliver, like it or not. This game is a preliminary round, so we are not yet in the group stages. But if we win these two games, home and away, away and home, we will be in the groups, and the CAF Conf will be really starting. So bafethu, lonke player engizolnema kule starting lineup linesizathu futhi I think they will deliver, but you can also drop your prediction below. Ungitshela ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi kuzoqala bani. So as we all know ukuthi there are some players who are not available, players like Thabiso Monyane, players like who else? Players like Kanyisama, we know Shinga, Chislet. Many players did not travel with the squad, so we'll try to work with players that have traveled with the squad. In my goal, which is Epalin, we'll start with Brendan Peterson. They might start with Fiacre Ntshware for some reasons, because Fiacre Ntshware knows the African what? Maybe the African climate, the weather and everything, the conditions, the players. He is this guy who's been playing against African players. He knows how they play his soul. But for this game, because it is a crucial game and we need to win it, I think Brendan Peterson will start the game. As our right back, obviously we have Ofrosla who can play there, and also Kunika can play there. But Kunika he is slow. Uh, uh, he has no speed. Frosler has speed. The only problem with Frosler is when he has to come back and recover from Magat at a kill. When he has to come back and recover, it becomes a real problem. But definitely he will start this game as a right back. Left back, I would have loved to see Bradley Cross starting, but I really think they will start Opaseka Mako in this game. Centre backs, Inacio Miguel and McCarthy, and also with centre back, I would have loved to see Kunika starting, like the game against Sekhukhune United. I really thought Kunika would start with Inacio Miguel, but they decided to start with McCarthy. Right, let's go to our midfield. This midfield, they will play pivots and one number 10. So the pivots will be Ucele and Mtezo. Guys, you can say anything about Mtezo. Mtezo has been performing, guys. Like it or not, this guy has been performing. Stop criticizing him. Guys, iplayer masekuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Noma kuthiwa silifuni kanye, ngisho uMorris, he's our player. We have to back him. Kumele simthande, siyathanda asithande, oweclub yethu. So criticizing him will not help us in any way. In fact, the criticizing will kill our player. So if we continue criticizing Umthetho for some things which are not valid, Umthetho has been performing, guys. Let's stop criticizing our players. We are killing our players by criticizing them. So please, let's support each and every player with Kaizer Chiefs. Even though if a better ucoach uzombeka ebenchini, simple. Umdlali mayekwa we-Chiefs. Ngisho nawe kuthiwa i-Chiefs ithenga ba. I-Chiefs uma ingase iyothenga nje, ithenga othi ngibo. Iyothenga nje umdlali ongaperform noma okwi-PSL, iyothenga umhango, because usekwi-Kaizer Chiefs. We have to, now we support Kaizer Chiefs and we turn Kaizer Chiefs, you have to support that player, you like it or not. Lelo player sewele Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo. So guys, please, let's support our players, especially this season. This is a crucial season for Kaizer Chiefs. So please guys, let's support our players and stop criticizing them. As our attacking midfield, I think they'll start with Umdu Shabalala. I think we need that energy. Number 10. Our right wing, another guy who's been criticized. I know a game against Sekhukhune, he was not performing well, but in this game he will redeem himself with his physique, speed and everything. Glody Lilep, he will deliver, guys. Believe in him. Left wing, I think Pulomoti will start. Obviously, he will start there because he is good at coming back and defend, and also going forward. I think he has stamina. Yeah, I think Pulomoti will start, and also in an attacking position, another player who has been criticized. I don't know why, because the guy has 2 games and 2 goals. You guys wanted a striker. He is a striker, Flavio da Silva. He's scoring goals and Some of Kaizer Chiefs players, somehow they are still criticizing him. I, angazi ukuthi why nifunani. Guys, you don't want a player who score goals, and you also don't want a player who can't score goals. Okay, fine. Let's take Morris and play Morris there, and then bench Flavio Silva, because Flavio Silva is scoring goals and you guys still complain. Morris is not scoring goals and you guys still complain. Angazi ukuthi ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs anjani afunani. Bafowethu, umdlali noma kuthiwa unjani umdlali, masokuwe Kaizer Chiefs, we have to support him. Ukuthi amanye abalandeli benye team bathini ngaye, thina singene ngaye lapho, because he's our player. He's our player, guys. Flavio Silva is our player, and he has scored. The fact is, he has scored 2 goals in 2 consecutive games. So, Bafethu, let's support him and let's do not kill him like we did with Uranga Chivaviro. So, guys, do comment down below with my starting lineup, and also you can drop your starting lineup down below. Like the video, subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. See you on another one. Danko.